Hello, welcome to the Damoov DataHub tutorials. In the Welcome Guide, we accessed trip data and analytics in DataHub. In this tutorial, I will show how you can get trip data through API. We have already generated a trip in DataHub. Now, let's see how we can extract the associated driving data. There are two ways to do so, one from the user level and another from the admin level. Let's see how to retrieve trips data on the user level. Go to the List of Users tab, locate the user whose data you want to access, and copy their user ID. In the documentation, find the User Authorization tab. To access the user data, we need to get the JWT token. To do this, in the User Authorization section, we need to fill in the body parameters and headers. Find the Login Fields line, and in the Input field, replace the UID with the user ID we copied earlier. Then find the user group credential in Management and paste the instance ID into the instance ID input field and the instance key into the password input field. Then press Try It to generate the JWT token. Here it is. Let's copy it. Now we can use it to access user statistics. Let's go to the Accumulated Statistics tab. On the right, you will see the box called Credentials. Paste the JWT token into this input field. The JWT token here is the bearer token. In the query parameters, we can specify the period for which we want to retrieve statistics. Let's select the start and end dates for this range. This is the time period for which we would like to obtain all statistics related to the user. After clicking Try It, we will see the response. There is one trip that we generated, and we have access to all the statistics and data for this trip. Now let's see the trip statistics. For example, we can click on Get Short List of Trips. Here we set parameters. We can set a start and end date. You can even specify hours and minutes. I don't need an exact time right now, so I will just delete it. If necessary, you can set other parameters. Then we make a request and receive a list of trips that includes various trip details. If you want to access specific data, you can use the Get List of Trip Details tab. Insert the JWT token in the bearer field. In the input fields, set the time and specify other parameters. Click Try It, and you will receive the full statistics in response. When and where the trip started, scoring, etc. If you need to gain access to an entire company, for example, for back-end integration, you can use a single JWT token to get the data of all users in your company. To do this, you need to generate admin credentials. In Management, find the Company column and click the Admin Credentials button. Click on Create Credentials, and you will see the new login and password. Now, let's go back to the documentation and find the Admin Authorization tab. We insert the newly generated username and password here. Click Try It, wait for the response to appear, and copy the received token. Keep in mind that this is an admin token. It gives you access to all users and to all your company's data on the platform. To access the data available to administrators, we need to log into the admin workspace. On the left, scroll to the bottom of the list and find the admin workspace. Click on the Scoring and Statistics tab and find Statistics Consolidated. Here you can pull out a data summary for an instance, application, or company. Don't forget to insert the JWT token. In the User Statistics tab, we can view the data of any user in the company. To do this, go to the user list. Select the user whose statistics you want to see and copy their user ID. In the documentation, insert it into this field and select Start and End Date. Let's set it to the same period again. Click Try It, and here are the chosen user's statistics. If you want to see statistics for another user, you don't need to change the JWT token. You only need to change the user ID and the required period. The same goes for trips. You can go to the other tabs, insert the JWT token, and insert the user ID of the user whose trip data you want to access. By now you know that all the features and tools that individual users have access to are also available for administrators. That's all for the Getting Trips Data Using API tutorial. If you need help with anything or have questions, please contact us and we'll help you with anything. Drive safe.